Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to unlock the power of Google Slides in minutes. It's a free and powerful tool for creating and editing presentations online. Let's get started. First, open a browser like Google Chrome or Edge. In this video, I'm using Edge. Go to the search bar and type slides.google.com, then press enter. Next, log in with your Google account. Enter your Gmail ID and click on the next button. Now enter your password and click Next. You'll see a page with various templates. You can choose a template if you want, but in this video I'm starting fresh with a blank presentation. Click on Blank Presentation. A new slide will appear with two boxes. One for the title, where you can enter the title of your presentation. For this video I'm typing How to Use Google Slides for Beginners. The other box is for the subtitle. I'm entering by A to Z AI Tech. To add a new slide, simply right-click on the previous slide and select New Slide. A new slide will be created. If you want to change the layout of the slide, right-click on the slide and click on Slide Format. You'll see multiple options available. For this video, I'm choosing a blank slide. Next, if you want to add a picture to your slide, simply click on the image icon in the toolbar. A pop-up will appear. You can upload files as you like. For this video, I'm uploading from my computer. Click on the upload button and choose a file from your computer. After a few seconds, your image will be uploaded. To add animation to your slide, click on the transition button. A pop-up will appear. Click on the drop-down menu and select an animation style. For this slide, I'm choosing Slide from Right. You can also adjust the speed of the animation by moving the slider. After making your changes, if you want to see how your slideshow works, simply click on the slideshow button. The slideshow will begin. To exit the slideshow, click on the escape button. Remember, Google Slides saves your work automatically. To rename your presentation, click on File and select Rename. Enter a new name you like. In this video, I'm changing it to Work. Press Enter. To share your document, click on File and then click Share. Select the Share with Others option. A pop-up will appear. In this pop-up, you can enter the email address of the person you want to send this slide to. Or you can click the copy link button to share the presentation. In this video, I'm sharing the presentation using an email ID. Enter the email ID you want to share with. Some suggestions may appear. Select them. A new pop-up will appear with 3 permission options: Viewer, Commenter, and Editor. I'm choosing Editor. Now click on Share. If you want to download your presentation, click on File and select Download. You can choose different file formats like PDF, Word, or others. In this video, I'm downloading it as a PDF. Click on PDF and the download will start automatically. That's it. Now you know how to use Google Slides. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and comment on what you want to see next. See you in the next video.